Hi, this is a quick tutorial to use the URL you've just received in social media and sign up for Parapsychology Research and Education, also known as ParaMOOC 2019. This year's iteration will be more focused on survival research and parapsychology and a slightly different structure. So you click on the link and that takes you to the front page of the course. Click on Enroll Now, and then if you have never been on this academy before, or you have never had a WizIQ account before, you want to click on Sign Up, and that will show you all the information. You just follow on through and take care of that. If you have had in the past a WizIQ account, you can enter that here and you'll be able to use that to log in. So once you're logging in, after sign up or after login, that will take you back to that same front page. You'll find again the course information, some information about Carlos and I. We have been organizing this course since 2015, and it just gives you a little bit of information about us. It tells you the language of the course, when the course opened to enrollment, that it's a scheduled course, and the duration of the entire course from the opening to the closing of enrollment is 11 weeks. And what I want you to look to is first to the top menu. Schedule will give you the information about all of the course materials. For instance, there's quite a lot of downloadable material in week 1. There'll be some more here in week 2. And then the actual live sessions will start on Saturday, the 6th of April. The live sessions will occur on Saturday and Sunday right to the end of the live sessions, which will happen somewhere here in May. I think May 19th is the closing session. And then there'll be post-course materials and other kinds of things. In addition to the presentations, you will also see a discussion forum about halfway through, and in the closing session there will be another discussion forum that will also take place in the WizIQ webinar frame. Over here on the left hand side you'll see these 3 bars. These give you a chance to look at the live classes in general. These are arranged from the last one down to the first one, and each one gives you the title of the course or the title of the lecture that I'm moderating, the actual presenter, and then later on as we get the information loaded you'll have the abstract, the biography of the speakers, and elsewhere in that week you'll find under schedule you'll find the PowerPoints and any additional documents that were given. But I'm just going to scroll down slowly so you can see who some of our speakers are and some of our topics are. Another thing you can do with this side part is click on your name at the bottom, and you can see view profile and add in any kind of information that you would like to add in. That's not required. A photo would be great, but you certainly don't have to add in the rest of this if you don't want to. It's always nice to see what country people are in as well. Hope that you'll come and join us. Thank you.